5 magnetic texts she can't resist. That's a tongue twister. You want to text this woman so that she cannot resist you. Hi, my name is Arica Angelo. If you are new here we talk about attraction, sex, women, dating, relationships. So you want to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and stay to the very end because I will give you your own word of encouragement. Listen, text messaging is such a fun way for us to flirt with one another, to get that sexual banter going back and forth, to build things up, to escalate things, to get on the date. So what are 5 magnetic texts that you can send her that'll make her go, oh my God, that was really cute. The first text you want to send her is this. Tell me what cute little dress you're wearing today. I don't know if you know this, but you know what? Us girls, we're kind of into taking care of ourselves, clothes, those sort of things. So when you ask her something like this, it's very flirty. One, you're assuming that she's wearing a dress. But listen, when guys send us text messages like this, it kind of puts us on the spot and we're like, oh, we want to find something sexy, something cute to say back. Hey, maybe she'll even send you a picture. But asking her, what cute little dress are you wearing today? That says, girl, I know you're looking sexy, so why don't you just fill me in and let me know how sexy you are looking today. Don't say that in your text message because it's too much. Now listen, I need to preface it with this. Text messaging is great. It's great for building up, but don't park it just with your text messages. You do know this, right? Right? I mean, come on. Yeah, you want to get her on the phone and then you want to get her on a date. These 5 text messages that I'm sharing with you is not to keep you guys going back and forth and becoming text buddies. No. These are to build things up so that you guys have some chemistry, some momentum, some tension when you get on a date. So this is to build up to that, not to keep you parked as text buddies, okay? You got it? The second thing you're gonna text her is this. Well, hello, beauty. Have you smiled today? That lets her know that, hey, you're interested in her well-being. You wanna make sure your girl is smiling. Checking in with her and asking her this, that in itself will elicit a smile. It'll make her think like she's probably busy with her day and she goes, wait a minute, I actually haven't smiled today. I should smile, it's better for me. And that elicits a warm response towards you. She's like, wow, this guy's really sweet. He's like checking in and making sure that I'm actually happy in my day. What guy does that? Well, you do. Hello. Now this next one is setting you guys up for a date. It's preparing things for that. So this is what I want you to send to her. I'm needing some adventure in my life and I'm thinking of some kind of trouble that you and I can get into. ... Aha, that's sexy. That sets her up with, oh my God, it's the element of surprise. What is he gonna do? What is he thinking? What's going on in his mind? What does he mean by trouble? Ah, perfect. It's exactly where you want her to be. Get her guessing, get her on her toes a little bit, get her expecting the unexpected with you. Because hey, you're the spontaneous guy. You're not the boring, predictable guy. So when you say adventure, it's letting her know that, hey, you want to do something different with her. Life is not about just going out to dinner dates and drinking wine. No, there's more to dating. There's more to getting to know one another. There's that sense of adventure. So this text is setting things up for you guys to go on a date and to build the excitement around the date. Now, the challenge on you is you got to come up with a date that is adventurous, that is a little mischievous, something that's going to be fun, something that's going to give the both of you something to look forward to. Now, I know I just dissed on wine, and I don't even know why I played that out because you know what? I really do love wine, and I feel like wine should be a part of every date. Hey, want to go hiking? Yeah, got wine? Number 4 is this. This is also setting things up on a date. Why am I giving you these text messages about dating? It's because I want you to get off your damn phone and get in front of her. I want you to see this woman and be with this woman, not just text her. So this magnetic text, she won't be able to resist. Are you ready? Something about your face and a glass of wine just sounds right about now. It's saying you need her. And it's letting her know that her face makes you feel good, makes you feel happy, makes you feel warm inside. And hey, what person doesn't want to elicit that sort of reaction in another human being? So you're gonna make her feel special sending her this, telling her that her face in a glass of wine sounds so good to you right now. Then from there, my love, after you've said something that charming, then you need to follow through and actually set up that date and have a glass of wine. And when you see her, tell her how beautiful her face really is. Now, before I give you this last fifth one, this one's a little bit mischievous. We are stirring the pot just a little bit here, but it's okay if you pick on her. She can pick on you. We're all picking on each other. It's just fun. But before I share that, make sure that you take my attraction quiz. You stay till the very end of this video for your word of encouragement. Now this one, she's gonna be like, wait, what? Wait, hold up. What does he mean by this? What's the prettiest girl in Los Angeles or wherever city you're from doing right now? Now this is why it's mischievous. If a guy wrote to me and he said, hey, what's the prettiest girl in Los Angeles doing right now? You know what I'm gonna think about that? I'm like, why am I just the prettiest girl in Los Angeles? Why can't I be the prettiest girl in California? Why can't I be the prettiest girl in America? Why can't I be the prettiest girl in the world? Want you to make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world. We like that stuff. We sing songs about it. Why? Because we like it. But you're gonna be a little mischievous. You're gonna make it just about the city that you're in. So whatever city it is that you're in, that's what you're gonna write in the text message. You're flirting with her, but you're also not giving it all to her. It's not just like, you were everything. You were the wind beneath my wings, woman. No. Too much, too far, too soon. No. We're just flirting with her on these text messages. We can't give her everything all in one dose. So if it stirs the pot a little bit, good. You've done your job. Have you made her feel like the prettiest girl? Yes, you have. And in there, she'll appreciate you. So in the comments section below, I want to know what of these is your favorite text message, and are you going to actually send it? Listen, babe, I want to encourage you. If you are watching this video and you're like, yeah, I want to text her because I'm still too afraid to actually get her on a date, or I'm more comfortable with text messaging than actually interacting with people. My love, texting is great, but it is not the end all be all. You ultimately want to be in this woman's presence. And guess what? She wants to be in your presence as well. But kudos to you for trying to escalate and create that sexual tension, to create that attraction. This is the way that you want to do it. But make sure that when you show up on the date, that sexy side of you, that charming side of you shows up on that date. That the guy who shows up on the text messages is the same guy who shows up face to face while she's with you on that date. Listen, my love, you have what it takes. You got this. You got the goods. I believe in you. And know that you, my dear, are loved. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time. I've got fuzz in my hair.